Do you have a Cricut that you've never taken out of the box? Do you? What are you waiting for? Today is such a beautiful day out. I have the day free. I'm gonna go visit one of my very best friends. Let's do it.
Welcome to Cedar Valley.
Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Lisa from the Yohos. Mark's busy working away today, so I thought I would take a little tour to one of my best friend's place. So this is Heather. Now, she has quite the craft stash. She kind of puts mine to shame how organized she is. So the reason why I'm here is to obviously do a little crafting, but you guys.
Oh geez, here we go.
She has a Cricut maker that has been in a box for
a year and a half.
What? So we are here to show you an unboxing, finally, of this machine that she's had sitting in the box for a very long time. Are we ready? Get right to it.
Imagine my battery.
Oh!
Pause that thought.
Did we mention she's got kids? And they actually run at campground, so she's busy. So this filming is going to, I think, take all day. And she's making a trek. Heather has so many scrapbook materials. She makes a lot of cards. She sews. The girl is talented and she is super organized. Oh, and to have a little designated area for all of her fun things, how cool is that? Let's do it.
Oh, it's a box within a box.
Look at it, has a handle and everything.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Ooh, more tools, more materials, more possibilities.
Ooh, I'll open this for you. This is like Christmas.
Keith always gets mad because I leave the stickers on everything for years later. I've had it for years and I still.
You should just let it be free.
Cricut maker machine, rotary blade and drive housing, premium fine point blade and housing, fine point pen, fabric grip mat, light grip mat, USB cable, power adapter, 50 ready to make projects including sewing patterns.
Ooh, okay, so this can come off for sure. So this is where you put your blade right here, and they've already given you a blade, so that's kind of cool.
That one there.
So that's for a marker or a scoring tool. So there's the power button. Underneath that is the load, then the start or the little Cricut face, and then there's the pause button.
Oh, how cool is that?
So this is where you can keep your extra blades and your little markers and stuff. This is the package of tools that you can get for the Cricut. Now let's be real, I don't use all of these, but it's fun for the craft hoarders in all of us to have all of the tools. But pretty handy too. They go in this little compartment which has a little rubberized bottom so you don't dull any of the tools. Ooh, yours has this too.
What is this?
Do you have an iPad or your phone? Because you can use it from an iPad or
I have
a phone so. Mine doesn't have this. So this also too plugs into your laptop or computer. This mat has a protective film on it, so obviously you're going to need to take that off. But keep it because you're going to need it to put it back on when you're done with it because it's sticky, right?
Yeah.
You can also use this side too. You don't have to use the other side, which is kind of cool because then you can just kind of rotate the mat if you have a full sheet or if you have a little piece up here and a different color down here.
Right.
Yeah, it's kind of handy. You cannot go in this way, unfortunately. Tip to leave some space around the Cricut. She has the perfect area over here. She has room coming in and coming out, so there's nothing behind it.
Close it all off and start again with the faster internet.
Still no. Materials for your first project. I'll let you open the envelope. Who's the winner?
And the award goes to...
Yep. Who is it?
But it doesn't tell you.
I don't know what the first project is. No. What? That's it. That's all
I don't know. I didn't win the award.
I've never once paid for the membership. Never once. I have the design space on my computer and I just use it all free willy-nilly.
Yeah.
I sometimes take images, SVG files, off of, there's quite a few websites you can get them for free. Heather called IT to fix her computer. Because her laptop wasn't cooperating with us, we decided to use her iPad, which actually turned out pretty good because I've never used the iPad with it, so we both got a chance to figure out how to use her Bluetooth. Yeah, just the regular maker.
Okay. Plug in.
Done.
Power on.
Check. These are just a few basic cuts that she can choose from, just to see how the machine works, I guess. Ooh, fancy.
Should I do next and see what it tells me?
Yeah, sure. Prepare for a cut. Nice. Get ready to press that Cricut button.
This one here?
Yep.
That's the cut?
Yep.
Like, why is it going all the way over there?
I know, it kind of freaks you out. I love the whole Bluetooth thing.
It's really exciting.
And then when the button goes off and then you'll see it flashing again, you press it to come out.
All right.
Heck yeah. Ooh. Oh, that's fun. You did your first cut.
There we go.
Whether you like to make things from scratch or start something that's already been designed, there's thousands of ideas to choose from. It's super easy. They're already set up for you. There's instructions, material lists. All you have to do is follow along.
These were our supplies. So we're going to do the smile card. Materials to cut, cardstock white and light blue.
Okay, so this is where you set your materials. So right now you're on cardstock. I'd say that's a medium cardstock. So if you want to press that, yep. And then you want to, yes, load the pen in. You have to,
Oh.
Yep.
And then I'm going to put the lid on because somebody once told me that is a great idea.
Then you don't lose it because those pens ain't cheap.
So we have loaded the pen.
So just go to...
And we've loaded that.
Yeah.
So load the mat.
Oh, yes. After too, so the paper doesn't roll.
Load. Oh my gosh, the possibilities are endless.
Right?
And then it's cutting it to fit the card size because I was wondering,
Oh, yeah.
that's a bigger piece, right? Oh my gosh.
Okay, now wait. So here's a tip for you. Instead of pulling it off the paper, turn it upside down and pull it off gently. Pull the backing off of the paper instead. Okay, then you don't bend the card.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that.
All
And
four of
down
them.
here, yeah. Oh, so you don't even have to glue it down.
No.
Here, like that.
Yeah. And then you flip it over.
Look
Aww.
at that!
Hey guys.
Go stand beside
Oh, it's
me
on.
for the two of you.
How big they are!
Oh gosh.
Wow.
Hit the gym twice already?
Oh my
Swole.
god! Rocks on.
Yeah.
Those fancy things.
Mine don't have giblets.
Love it.
Oh, yours don't have either. Okay.
I took them off.
Crazy? Seriously.
I can kiss your forehead now.
Oh!
I'm slouching and you're
slouching.
standing on your tippy toes.
Food's here.
Oh look, it skipped the dishes. Uber Eats.
This is exciting.
Oh, I smell onion.
You're not supposed to have onion?
No, I like onion.
Thanks, Keith.
Thank you, my love.
Whatever.
Thank you.
All right, later.
Bye, thank you. Oh my gosh.
Lovely.
This is a treat.
Gosh.
Oh,
my
Mark's gonna
goodness.
be jealous. Well, everybody, she finally did it. She cracked open that box and she started up her Cricut.
Thank you, Lisa.
Very welcome. It's so easy, you guys. Really just get her going and give it a try. And
Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notification bell.
when you do, you get notified every single time we upload a new video, which is usually every week.
Exciting.
Were those your jazz hands? They were. Bye, guys.
Take care.
I'm like eating my hair. Whoa!
If you guys enjoyed this video, here's a couple more for you to watch.